My name is Pam Kleinpeter. I'm the library director, and I'm going to show you today how to change the hole punch and printer settings when you're printing from the library's computers. So in order to access those options, you're going to click on File and Print, and it should be basically the same whether you're on College Drive or Technology Drive. What you're going to do is you're going to click into the printer properties. And you're going to look for this finishing box. So you can tell it if you want staples, you want one staple in the corner, you can do that here. If you want 3-hole punch, you can do that here. If you want both, you will go to multiple finishing and you'll set your staples and your 3-hole punch. So once you have changed those settings, you hit OK, and then you're ready to print. So that is a quick and easy way to have both stapling and hole punching on all of your print jobs. I hope that this was helpful.